You talk with your face down first.
Hey, Libby, tell them. This is for you. Real loud.
This is for you, Oma.
And your birthday.
And your birthday.
I hope
Dad.
it's very special.
I hope
Jason,
it's very
Jason.
special.
Okay, hold your pumpkins out. 1, 2, ready, go.
Go.
5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said,
"Oh my, it's getting late."
the second one said,
There are witches in the air.
the third one said,
"But we don't care."
The fourth one said.
let's run and run and run.
The
The fifth
fifth one
one said,
said.
I'm ready.